Welcome. Here we're going to talk about just some notation, how to name angles. So as an introductory video, if you're working on a problem that has a lot of angles, you will want to identify which one you're talking about. And we have a variety of ways that we can identify them, the ways that we can name them. So let's go ahead and start. First, we have this little notation we'll use. It's a little angle. And you can leave it like that. I see that in a lot of textbooks. Or you can do it like this and add a little line across. Both of these are correct notation for naming angles, for indicating angle, but this second one that's on the right-hand side is a little clearer, and if your handwriting is a little sloppy or if you're in a little bit of a rush, sometimes this one on the left-hand side could be confused or mistaken for an L or something else, so be a little bit careful about the way you do that. I'll use the one here on the right-hand side because it is a little bit clearer. So if I would like to name this angle, I can begin by doing my little notation. That means angle. And then I will name it A, B, C. Now, the B is in the middle because that's the point that the angle is actually touching. So whichever letter is in the middle, that's where the angle actually lies. And that lets you know how to draw your angle. I could do it the opposite way. I could call this CBA. Again, the important thing being that the B, which is where the angle is adjacent to, that is the middle component. I could also call this simply angle B and indicate that it's the angle that is touching that point. And I could also call it angle X, X being, of course, the interior name here for the angle. So those are introduction to 4 ways to just get started with naming angles. As you take more advanced math classes, you may find that angles have, we might use Greek letters or other things to indicate angles, but this is the introductory level and should get you started. Thank you so much for watching.